Let's start. Negation of proposition, we did this one. And compound propositions, A proposition which is formed from two or more propositions by using connective words. Connective words is called a compound proposition. And some of the connective words are and, or, if then, if and only if. Now here they are written, but in the next lesson, we'll study them with the mathematical signs. Okay, how we'll show and, how we'll show or, how we'll show if then, and how we'll show if and only if. So now I want from Alexander to tell me a proposition. I will write here.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, tell me a sentence that it will be a proposition.
Like sometimes in previous lesson, teacher, what we did, or
Yeah, anything what you want.
4 times 8 is 30.
4 times 8, it's 30. Salman, can you tell me one more proposition, a different one?
False or right?
Anything. It cannot. It doesn't have to be a math. I mean equation. Anything it can be.
Today it's Sunday.
Today is
Teacher, I'm also talking.
Sunday. Who is talking? Salman. I think that there is a problem with your internet connection. So what will be a compound proposition of these two? 4 times 8 is 30, and today
It's Sunday.
Sunday. This is the compound proposition. Okay. We have 2 or more propositions, and we are connecting them with the connective words. Which ones are the connective words?
And, or, if, then,
Or even, if and only if.
and only if.
If and only if. Okay. Are you writing this?
This is something like in chemistry, teacher.
What, Alexander?
Something like in chemistry.
Really? I don't remember chemistry. You know, when I finished high school and I reset my brain, and I don't remember anything from chemistry.
Only math, teacher. Yeah?
Only math, yeah.
Math is enough.
Math is enough.
Chemistry is
Chemistry is what?
for chemistry, teacher. We are in chemistry. We
I
don't
didn't
work
understand. I didn't understand.
with- You know what a chemist is?
What?
A person that wastes
Do you
his time with
hear him or only I have no problem?
No, I can't.
Teacher, I hear like an echo, like from all of you.
Not problem in me. Okay, I was thinking about that. I am getting really old, and I
Maybe.
No, teacher.
no. Look, my
Teacher, can I rejoin?
white hairs. Yes.
Who is sending hurts?
You're sending to me. Thank you, Trina.
Yes.
Thank you. It's okay. Can I continue to the next page?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
And now here, as you see, I have the symbols of the connective words. How we'll use for this chapter that we are studying. And is like A without a line. This is and. And the opposite of this, the upside down, it's or. This is if then, the arrow. If then, and this one, the arrow with 2 sides, is if and only if. These are the symbols and the names of these connective words. The first one is conjunction, disjunction, implication, equivalence. It's like that, okay? conjunction, disjunction, implication, equivalence. So we need to know these symbols. What is or, how is if then, and how is if and only if. It's okay? Are we clear with this?
Yes.
Yes, teacher, but when we use it?
When we use it now, I will show you. If you are right now, I can wait, or I will continue.
Wait, teacher.
Okay. Lisa, hello. You were in
Hello,
the
teacher.
first lesson, I think, huh?
Yes, I had problems with the internet.
Okay, okay. Now, while you're writing, let me take the attendance. Yusuf is not. One lesson is enough for Yusuf. Anita?
Here.
Here. Alexander? Here and happy because it's online. Eva? Here. Elsa?
Here. Here, teacher.
Here. Amra?
Here.
Yona? Yona? I saw.
I'm here, teacher.
Yeah,
I
okay.
couldn't unmute my microphone.
Okay. Stephanie?
I'm here.
Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Arya?
Here.
Inga? Here. Ardita?
Here.
Arta? I think. Giovanna here.
Here.
Vesa here.
Here.
Stanislav here. Salman here. What's going on there? Remesa
Here.
here. Sarah
Here.
here. Ermal
I'm here.
here. Hamza Ostanche. Besam
Here.
Sancha mute Nisa.
Stanislav. Mute yourself or
Okay.
somewhere else. Get out of the lesson. Haydi. If you're not listening the lesson.
I'm here, teacher.
You're here? Okay.
No.
Are you ready? Did you write this one?
You can continue, teacher.
Okay.
I will write everything after lessons.
Okay. So conjunction, the first connective word, conjunction, it means and. A compound proposition of P and Q formed using the connective word and is called conjunction of P and Q, and we will write in this way. For example, P, animals live in the sea, and Q is 2 is a prime number. P and Q will be animals live in the sea, and 2 is a prime number. The important part of this is this table. Here, in the compound proposition of P and Q, is true whenever the both P and Q are true, otherwise it's false. Okay, so we need to know this table, guys, for the conjunction. When it is true, when both of them is true, the compound proposition is true. In the otherwise, it's false. Okay, you need to know this table. We need to know this property for conjunction, and we'll learn for disjunction and the other connective words also. Now here, from this property, from this, let's say, definition, what we'll get, if you have P and 0, doesn't matter what is the truth value of P, the result will be 0. Why? Because one of them is 0. It's enough for us to have one of the proposition 0, and then we'll have the result, the compound proposition as 0. If one of them from the propositions is true, the result will be related to P. If P is true, it will be true. If P is false, it will be false. And if you have P and P prime, it will be always 0. It will be always false. Why? Even if P is true, P prime, negation of P will be 0. So 1 and 0 will be 0. It's okay? Did you understand? Any question for this?
No.
No.
No? So here the important part is we need to know these values. In conjunction, if both of them is true, it's true. In the other cases, it's false. Okay? If you're ready, I will show you some questions how we solve.
Wait a little bit, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, will we have these things in our exam?
Of course. What we are studying, you will have in exam one day. Okay, I will upload the video in the Moodle. You can check to write them, okay?
Okay.
And now disjunction. The compound proposition, when it's formed using the connective word or, is called disjunction, and you saw the symbol of it. Here, the truth values of disjunction is different than the and. Here, it is false when both of them is false. On other cases, it is true. Okay, it means that one of the proposition to be true, it's enough for us to say that P or Q it's true. Okay, so you have 3 cases true, only one case is false. In that case, both of them is false. Okay, so from this definition, what can we say? If you have P and 0, the result of this will be related to the value of P. If it is 0, it will be 0. If it is 1, it will be 1. If you have this one of them, it's known that it is 1. The other proposition is not important. What is the truth value? One of them is enough for us to say that the truth value of P or 1 is 1. And here in the third one, P or P prime will be 1 always. Why, Salman?
I don't know, teacher. I didn't.
You don't know, you didn't understand. I can see that I can feel that you're not understanding, not only for Salman, for all of you I'm talking, because
Yes.
no comments, no questions, no anything. I'm explaining to the screen here. Okay. So guys, we have and we have or.
Yes.
And is conjunction, or is disjunction. So what is and or? We are talking about compound propositions. So what we said, if I have 2 propositions, how many possible cases I will have?
4.
4 possible cases I will have. Now I am writing the possible cases for P and Q. What will be, how it will be? 1, 1, 0, 0. The first lesson that we studied, 1, 0,
1, 0, 1, 0.
Now I am checking the truth value of the compound proposition of P and Q. For this one, the rule is that if both of them is true, it will be true. Other cases, it is false. So when it will be true, 1 and 1, P and Q, they are 1. So the compound proposition P and Q will be 1. It's like, how to say, to give an example, two true propositions. Can you tell me 2 true propositions here?
4 plus 8 is 12.
4 plus 8 is 12. It can be, but I want from you to give me with sentences. It will be better if we'll do like that.
Today is a shiny day. No.
Look,
Yes.
today is a shining day. Today is a sunny day.
Yes.
And Q, let's say, Today is raining. Both of them, they are prepositions, yes? So I will check the weather. Today is the sunny day, is true. But today is not raining, false. Okay? So can we say as a compound preposition P and Q as today is a sunny day and raining?
There is no logic.
Will be true?
No.
It's true to say it like this. Today is a sunny day and raining.
No, it's
No.
false.
It's not. So if one of them is 1, the other one is 0, 1 and 0 will be 0. And both of them has to be true, okay? In the other cases, it will be false. Okay?
Okay.
How will show in the table? 1, 0,
0, 0.
but for or,
1.
when you have or, one of them to be true, it's enough.
Only 1.
So 1 and 1 or 1 will be 1. 1 or 0 will be 1. 0 or 1 will be 1. 0 or 0 will be
0.
0. So what can we say another prepositions here with or? Hayde, I'm waiting. Any example from you? Any preposition?
I'm going to bed or I'm waking up.
But it's preposition I'm waking up.
No.
A triangle, oops, I'm writing with leg. A triangle has 4 sides and one more 7 is an odd number. Okay, first one is true or false?
No, the first one is false.
The first one is false, 0 or false. The second one is true, 1. Now, if I will write this sentence, a triangle has 4 sides or 7 is an odd number. So this compound preposition will be true because I'm saying or. Yes, it will be. Triangle has 4 sides or 7 is an odd number. Because I'm saying or here, I'm not saying exactly both of them has to be, you know? One of them is enough to say that this one is true.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, now yes.
Yes.
In and, it's certain. And both of them has to be true to say that it is true. But when you have or, it means that this one
of them is not.
okay? Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now let's see. It says, find the truth value of P and Q if P or Q prime and Q is equal to 1. I have started with, I have given with the directly hard question. Why I have done this one, I don't know. Now, how we can show this one? You can show this one with the truth value or with the truth table. This one is the truth table, or with these properties that we know here, okay? So let's see, I will write one more time. I have P or Q prime and Q is equal to 1. So the main compound proposition is this one. Let me take with this one, think as one proposition. And this one is the second one. Okay, what we have here, conjunction, and. Yes?
Yes.
So when we have and if the result is 1, what we need to have? Both of them?
To be correct. To be true.
Both of them to be correct, both of them to be 1. It means that the first proposition P or Q prime has to be 1 and Q has to be 1 according to the truth table. Okay, are we clear with this?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, here I know the truth value of Q. I found it. Now what I have here? Disjunction, or I have, or. So what will be in which cases when we have or, it is true?
If it is 1 and 1, 1 and 0, and 0 and 1.
So one of them we have to have 1.
Yes.
Yes. Do we know the truth value of Q?
Yes, it's 1.
Yes. What will be the Q prime negation of it?
It will be 0.
It will be 0. Now, what I have here, P or 0, which is equivalent to 1. So what will be the value of P? I have 4, and I know that one of them is 0.
So it will be 1.
The other one has to be 1. So the truth values of P
1, teacher.
are 1s. Okay, are we clear with this?
Yes.
So for these kind of questions, to solve them, we need to know the truth tables of disjunction and conjunction. Okay? We can show this one also with the truth value table. Do you want me to show like that?
I get the point, teacher. For me,
Okay.
not necessary.
Here it doesn't say anything to show with, I mean, it says only find the truth value of P and Q, but it can say find it with the truth table. So how?
Teacher, but how we multiply them?
We are not
How?
multiplying them.
I don't know. I didn't understand it well. I understand it partly.
Did you understand how we are finding the truth values of and or when we have?
Yes, if they are, if in there should be 2 truth ones, so it can be true.
Okay.
In or only one to be true.
Okay. So here what I have, as I said, think that this is one proposition and this is the second one. We have 2 propositions and what I have in between them and. Yes. And
Yes.
here it says that this compound proposition is equivalent to 1. So the truth value of this compound proposition is 1. So from here I am finding that first proposition is 1. It has to be like that. And the second one is 1. Yes?
Yes.
Now we found the truth value of Q, which is 1. Then from here, what I have here, Q prime I have, the negation of it I have. So the Q prime will be 0, yes?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
what I have here another compound proposition. P or Q prime I have. I have or here, yes? In or, to have the result 1, only one of them to be true is enough for us, yes?
Yes.
So here, do we know the
Yes.
value of Q prime?
0. It's
So
0.
we know it. So P has to be 1 to make this compound proposition true. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
So we are finding P and Q, the truth values of P and Q from the properties that we know. It's okay?
Yes.
Yes, now teacher, I understand.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's see. Opa. We have here some properties. How many minutes do we have?
We have 5 more minutes.
You have.
5, teacher.
Okay. So here there are some common properties of the connective words and, or. So here, guys, commutative property. It's like, do you remember in addition and subtraction we had, if you have A plus B is equal to B plus A. Also here in conjunction, if you have P and Q, it's the same as Q and P. It means that you can change their places. And in and also in or, okay? In conjunction and disjunction, you can do, you can use the commutative property. You can change their places. Here, idempotent property, it's when you have P and P, it's P, you know, and P or P, it's P again. Also, you have associative property. What does it mean, associative property? You have both ends here. Look, 3 prepositions, and between them we have and. So you can change the groups. Look, it is P and in the parentheses Q and R. So you can do it like in the parentheses P and Q and R. It's same as these properties, guys. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, yes?
Yes.
Only the thing that you need to know here, that it's different from this addition and subtraction, it's this one, De Morgan's law. What De Morgan's law says us, if you have P and Q, the negation of P and Q, it will become P prime or the sign or the connective word change to or Q prime. If you have P or Q, negation of the P or Q, then it will change to and, okay? It will become P prime and Q prime. It's okay, this one? This one is very new. These ones are the same, similar to the other properties that we have studied before, distributive, associative, commutative, but the De Morgan's law is like this. So if you have the negation of P and Q, it will change to or. If you have negation of P or Q, it will change to and. Okay?
Okay.
The fifth one, did you understand the fifth one? Look here in the fifth one. We have P and Q or R. So it goes like this, like we are doing in multiplication. P and Q, then I'm writing or P and R.
Okay.
Same if you have or here and here, P or Q and R. So it will go P or Q and P or R. Okay?
Okay.
So next lesson we'll continue. Please try to revise this lesson because it's a bit, as you can see, confusing. For the next lesson,
Can you upload some exercises about this to practice?
I will solve next lesson. For now, for you, it's important to understand the logic of it. And next lesson, I have prepared here some questions. We will solve with the truth tables, okay?
Okay.
Together. I think that we have 1 minute.
Yes.
Yes, only
Okay.
1 minute.
So see you next lesson.
Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Goodbye. Bye, teacher.
Thank you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.